Clare's Tomato by Ed Keller. Children should experience the joy of gardening at every chance they get. Gardening allows kids to learn a variety of practical skills and promote a protective attitude towards everything they see in nature. Teaching children how to grow their own food helps them realize how valuable our natural resources truly are. Having organic, homegrown produce in their backyard that rely on their daily care and dedication instill a sense of responsibility and accountability. All these and more are vividly captured in my entertaining and educational book, Clare's Tomato. Little girl learns how to grow tomatoes. Do you really know where it comes from before it gets to your plate? Young Clare is full of questions, including about the food she eats, in this book. Clare's Tomato, the author shares her adventures as she sets out to learn about how vegetables grow. She's thrilled about growing her first tomato, but she is concerned about what will happen to it when it is nice and ripe. Clare's Tomato is an entertaining children's story. It's also a chance for them to learn where food comes from and how they can play a part in providing food for their families. Let's hear the author's thoughts on his book.
My name is Ed Keller. I'd say any child that's curious would benefit from the book. When I was writing the book, I was actually thinking about children in general and how they learn. Children are very curious. A lot of times the process of education stifles that curiosity. Children are not encouraged to explore things on their own, especially when parents have limited time. Instead of asking them questions and allowing them to work through it, they'll give them the answer. And that's not really the way to learn. The way to learn is to actually do things hands-on. So I wrote the book with the intention of having a parent or a guardian read the book to the child, and I actually incorporated questions in the book for the child to answer, and they could use those questions to create a dialogue between the adult and the child. I would like the audience to come away with the idea that the best gift that an adult can give a child is their time.
Get a copy of Clare's Tomato